Pujas means to clear. Learning rituals. Learning secret tantric hand gestures called mudras. Using tantric instruments, vajras and bells, is only a very small part of the puja. Mastering hand mudras, mastering the offerings, mastering the tormas, reading the text, ringing the bell at the right place is only 5% of the pujas, in my guesstimation. It's important. 95% in the puja is what? Intent. There are lamas in Ganden who are very high. Chia, who's been with me for so long, has met, like example, Genima Rinpoche, who is, according to very many people, is a bodhisattva, who has stayed in Yamataka meditation most of his life and achieved oneness with Yamataka. And one day, I went to his house and he lived right behind me in Ganden. A few of my students had the fortune to meet this bodhisattva who has passed away, and he said, no incarnation. He said, don't look for me, no incarnation. He told clearly to people. Okay, now, when I went to meet him, in his kamsin, I forgot what kamsin he belongs to. Go kamsin. In his kamsin in Ganden, they were having a Tara puja. Tara puja, all of you know how to do Tara. And the whole kamsin was there, and they invited Genima to come, and they set up a throne and stuff for him. And Genima wasn't there, and in his ladrang, there was very few students, not like the normal 5-6 people. There was maybe one person there watching him, taking care of him. So I go over to Genima's place almost every day to visit. I bring vegetables and I bring fruits. I bring a lot of offerings because I know he's Yamataka. So if I make offerings to him every day, it's better than offering to a statue. So I used to go all the time. And he liked me very much. When he see me, he'd smile and he'd go like that to me. He said, sit here. So I sit on the floor right below his feet almost every day, listening to him, talking to him, and having conversation. And he liked me because I joked and I played. And he loves jokes. He loves jokes. And he's a little smitchy in his own little holy way.